for today. For those who have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel, Clarice Love Vlogs. For today's video, we're going to unbox again my new Chanel flats. It's in size 37. We purchased this with my daughter when was that? Last week? Yeah, natatawa siya. She was the one who's filming this one. So again, we're just going to unbox this one, and so excited to unbox my new Chanel flats, another collection with my espadrilles that I unboxed last week. So guys, stay tuned. So as usual, Chanel has this one. So yung care card, as always. And then the dust bag, dalawa, syempre, left and right. So are you guys ready? My new Chanel flats. It's in the black and beige color. So this is size 37. It's series... Wait, yung salamin ko. Series 2019. So we purchased this in Madison last week. So this is the size. It's made in Italy. Very nice leather. I think it's very comfortable. So I'm excited to wear this in this coming days, as I wear also my espadrille flats. So what else? So I'm giving some mud shots later after this video to share how it really fits. But actually my this one, as comparison, my espadrilles, it's size 7 also, but it's kinda tight fit with me. Pero sabi ng SA, it will expand. So I think so, it will expand. Parang I have to break in pa. And then again, 7.5 of Chanel flats in this style is too large for me. So it really fits in. It really fits in through size. So again, guys, I have here my Chanel flats in black and beige color. So thank you again for watching. Hope to see you again for my next unboxing or my next video. So these are my mod shots. You can see again, and please don't forget to subscribe again and push that bell button for another video coming up. Thank you.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.